Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, we've been making some progress on the 428 for the rat rod, getting it put back together. Got our rotating assembly installed, pistons in, cam degreed in, valve clearance is checked. Here's our intake valve. And here's our exhaust valve. Plenty of piston to valve clearance. Well, we got 7 of our piston and rod assemblies in. Main bearings in place, rear main seal installed, timing chain on, cam in. Bearing clearance is all checked. Got them where I want them. And everything's sealed up. Right at the end yesterday, when I was putting this thing back together, I had a little problem. I knocked a piston on the floor. Or should I say, it done jumped out of my oily, slicked hands when I was putting it in the ring compressor. Might have seen my short yesterday. I was gonna make this video last night, but I was just too ticked off at myself. Take a look at this. You can see right here, point of impact where it hit the floor. And it smashed the ring land just enough. Piston is junk. No, it can't be fixed. Piston rod assembly hits the floor. Well, gravity isn't very nice to you now. But the good news is I was able to find a single piston that matches these. And hopefully, when it shows up, it'll weigh the same or at least be heavier than what's in here, because I don't want to have to rebalance this thing again. As long as it's a little bit heavier or the same, we're fine. If it's a little bit heavier, I can shave it down and get the weight where it's got to be and everything will go back together the way it should. If not, well, unfortunately I have to take it back down, pull everything apart, take it back down to the machine shop, and have them balance it all over again. So we're going to be optimistic that it's going to work out for me. The price you pay, I guess, for getting in a hurry, trying to get something put together when you're freezing your ass off. It happens. We're only human. We'll get past it. But I thought I wanted to share a little update with you. This is what we're doing, and this is where we're at. And unfortunately, we're about a week set back now. The piston's ordered. They say it'll be here next Thursday. So knock on wood, it'll show up, and weight-wise, everything will work out, and we can move forward with the build. See you in the next one. Later.